Welcome to our channel. We are so glad you found your way here. Let us help you fall asleep. Let's begin with mirror neurons, the biological basis for empathy. Take a slow, deep breath in and release it. Let the weight of the day fade away as we embark on an unhurried, atmospheric journey through the wonders of the cosmos. Your mind is quiet, the universe is vast, and we are ready to explore. The discovery of mirror neurons marked a significant advancement in understanding the neural mechanisms underlying empathy. Identified in the early 1990s by a group of Italian researchers, these neurons were first observed in the premotor cortex of macaque monkeys. They exhibited a remarkable ability to activate both when an individual performed an action and when that individual observed the same action being performed by another. This duality suggested a profound connection between perception and action within the brain. Further investigations revealed that these neurons are not limited to the execution of physical movements, but also extend to emotional and social behaviors. In humans, mirror neurons are believed to facilitate the understanding of others' intentions, emotions, and actions, forming a neural foundation for empathy. This mechanism allows individuals to resonate with the experiences of others, forging social bonds and enhancing cooperative behaviors. Research has indicated that regions associated with mirror neuron activity may also play a role in conditions characterized by impaired empathy, such as autism spectrum disorders. The implications of these findings extend beyond neuroscience, influencing fields such as psychology and sociology. As studies continue to unfold, the intricate relationship between mirror neurons and social cognition becomes increasingly illuminated, offering insights into the biological underpinnings of human interaction and emotional connection. The evolution of neuroscience provides a rich backdrop for understanding the significance of mirror neurons. Early inquiries into the human brain primarily emerged from philosophical reflections, with scholars like Aristotle pondering the nature of thought and consciousness. Gradually, the field transitioned into a more empirical one, fueled by the advent of dissection and anatomical studies during the Renaissance. This shift laid the groundwork for a burgeoning understanding of the brain's structure and function. In the 19th century, figures such as Paul Broca and Carl Wernicke contributed significantly to the localization of brain functions, identifying specific regions responsible for language and cognition. This era marked the beginning of a more systematic exploration of neural pathways and their influence on behavior. The introduction of electrophysiological techniques allowed for the observation of neuronal activity, revealing the dynamic interplay between nerve cells. With the discovery of mirror neurons in the late 20th century, a new chapter in neuroscience emerged. These specialized cells activated both when an individual performs an action and when they observe the same action performed by others. This phenomenon suggested a biological mechanism underlying empathy, imitation, and social understanding. The implications were profound, bridging neuroscience with psychology and philosophy. As research progresses, the intricate web of interactions within the brain continues to be unraveled, deepening the comprehension of human experience and connection. The anatomy of the brain reveals specific regions that play pivotal roles in mirror neuron activity. The premotor cortex stands out as a key player, facilitating the understanding of actions performed by others. This region, situated in the frontal lobe, processes both motor and sensory information, allowing for the recognition of goal-directed behaviors. Adjacent to the premotor cortex, the inferior parietal lobule contributes significantly to this phenomenon. It integrates sensory inputs and supports the mapping of observed actions onto one's own motor functions. The interaction between these areas fosters a deeper connection between perception and action, providing the foundation for empathy and social cognition. The superior temporal sulcus, located in the temporal lobe, also engages in this intricate process. It is essential for interpreting social cues, such as facial expressions and gestures, that signal emotional states. This region aids in discerning the intentions behind actions, further enhancing the empathic response. Engagement of these interconnected areas forms a network that underpins the ability to understand and relate to others. Observations of others' actions elicit neural responses akin to those triggered by personal experience. Such mechanisms solidify the biological basis for empathy, illustrating how the brain harmonizes perception and emotion within human interaction. The structure of the brain thus serves as a testament to the complexity and profundity of social understanding. The discovery of mirror neurons in macaque monkeys marked a significant advancement in understanding the neural mechanisms underlying social cognition. In the mid-1980s, researchers observed these neurons firing not only when the monkeys performed specific actions, but also when they observed others engaging in similar behavior. This dual function illuminated the brain's capacity for empathy and imitation. The researchers conducted their studies in a controlled laboratory environment, where the monkeys were equipped with electrodes to monitor neuronal activity. When one monkey grasped a peanut, mirror neurons activated in its brain. A fascinating parallel occurred when the same neurons fired in response to watching another monkey perform the same action, suggesting a neural mirroring process. This phenomenon provided insights into the evolutionary significance of social behavior and communication. The shared neural pathways revealed how individuals might understand and predict the actions of others, essential for cooperation and social bonding. The implications extended beyond primates, suggesting a common biological foundation for empathy across species. In this exploration of mirror neurons, the intricate interplay of biology and behavior was laid bare, hinting at the profound connections that define social interactions. The findings prompted further inquiries into the neural substrates of empathy, encouraging a deeper understanding of human social behavior and its origins. Observation of mirror neurons reveals their unique response patterns across diverse contexts. Discovered primarily in primates, these specialized cells exhibit a remarkable dual activations. When an individual performs an action, such as grasping an object, the same neurons fire when observing another executing that same action. This mirroring effect suggests a fundamental mechanism for understanding others' intentions and emotions. In these regions of the brain, the activation does not solely pertain to motor functions but extends to emotional responses. The presence of mirror neurons implies a biological foundation for empathy, allowing individuals to resonate with the experiences of others. This capacity for shared experience may facilitate social bonding and communication, fostering complex interactions within groups. Variations in the responsiveness of these neurons can be observed. Some individuals demonstrate heightened activation when witnessing emotional expressions, while others may show less pronounced responses. Factors such as cultural background, personal experiences, and even neurological conditions can influence these patterns. In addition to their role in social cognition, mirror neurons contribute to learning processes. Through observation, individuals can acquire new skills without direct experience, indicating their importance in behavioral adaptation. Overall, This understanding of mirror neurons enriches the exploration of human connectivity, offering insights into the intricate web of social interaction and emotional understanding. The parietal lobe plays a crucial role in observational learning, serving as a key area for processing and interpreting sensory information. This region integrates inputs from various senses, linking visual stimuli to motor actions. It facilitates the understanding of actions performed by others, allowing individuals to learn through observation rather than direct experience. This capacity for vicarious learning is essential for the development of social behaviors and skills. When observing an action, neurons in the parietal lobe become activated, mirroring the observed behavior. This mirroring mechanism is vital for acquiring new skills, as it enables individuals to mentally simulate actions without physically performing them. Such processes contribute to the refinement of motor skills and the ability to adapt learned behaviors in different contexts. In addition to its role in action observation, the parietal lobe also contributes to the understanding of spatial relationships. This spatial awareness is important for interpreting complex social cues and navigating interpersonal dynamics. By mapping out the physical environment and the positions of others within it, this region enhances the ability to engage in effective communication and collaboration. The intricate functions of the parietal lobe underscore its significance in fostering social connections, highlighting the biological underpinnings of empathy and shared experiences. Understanding these mechanisms provides a clearer perspective on the foundations of human interaction. Motor planning is intricately linked to the activity of mirror neurons, which play a vital role in understanding and executing movements. These specialized cells activate not only when an individual performs an action, but also when observing the same action performed by another. This dual functionality suggests a profound connection between perception and action, underscoring how the brain prepares for movement in response to external stimuli. In this context, the neural pathways involved in motor planning become illuminated. When an action is observed, mirror neurons fire, enabling the observer to simulate the movement internally. This simulation allows for the anticipation of the action's outcome, facilitating better coordination and response. The capacity for this internalized representation is essential for learning and mimicking behaviors, a crucial aspect of social interaction. Research indicates that this network is particularly active in regions associated with motor control, such as the premotor cortex. The alignment between observation and execution demonstrates how closely intertwined these processes are. As individuals engage with their environment, they draw upon these mirror neuron systems to enhance their motor strategies, leading to improved performance. The implications of this relationship extend beyond mere physical actions, influencing communication and emotional exchanges. Understanding how these neurons contribute to motor planning deepens the insight into the underlying biological mechanisms that shape social behaviors. Empathy encompasses the ability to comprehend and resonate with the emotions of others, bridging psychological and biological realms. This phenomenon allows individuals to connect on a profound level, fostering interpersonal relationships and communal bonds. It manifests in various forms, including cognitive empathy, which involves understanding another's perspective, and affective empathy, where one shares in the emotional experience of another. Biologically, empathy is facilitated by brain networks involving mirror neurons, which activate both when one performs an action and when one observes the same action performed by others. These neurons create a neurological resonance, allowing one to feel what another experiences. This neural mirroring serves as the foundation for emotional attunement, promoting social cohesion. In psychological terms, empathy is essential for social functioning. It aids in conflict resolution, enhances communication, and fosters altruism. Empirical studies reveal that individuals with heightened empathy levels often exhibit pro-social behaviors, contributing positively to group dynamics. Cultural influences can also shape empathic responses, highlighting the interplay between environment and biology. Social norms dictate the expression and development of empathetic capacities, indicating that while the biological underpinnings are significant, external factors play a crucial role in the manifestation of empathy. Thus, the intricate dance between brain function and social context continues to illuminate this complex human trait. Neuroimaging studies have provided profound insights into the mirror neuron system in humans. Advanced techniques such as functional magnetic resonance imaging reveal specific brain regions that activate during observation and execution of actions. Regions such as the premotor cortex and the inferior parietal lobule demonstrate heightened activity, indicating their role in processing actions observed in others. This activation suggests a shared neural mechanism, bridging the gap between self and others. In one notable study, participants viewed videos of individuals performing various tasks. The corresponding areas in their brains lit up in response to the observed movements, mirroring the activation that occurs when they execute similar actions themselves. Such evidence supports the notion that these neurons facilitate understanding and predicting the actions and intentions of others. Further investigations have explored the implications of this system in social cognition. Variations in mirror neuron activity have been linked to conditions such as autism spectrum disorder, where difficulties in social interaction and empathy are observed. The absence or reduced efficiency of this neural network may contribute to challenges in interpreting social cues. The mirror neuron system, therefore, serves as a vital component in the architecture of human interaction. Underpinning the ability to empathize and connect with others, its study continues to deepen our understanding of the neural foundations of social behavior and shared experience. This exploration extends into the realm of embodied cognition, a theory proposing that the mind is not only influenced by the brain but also shaped by the body's interactions with the environment. From this perspective, cognitive processes emerge from the interplay between sensory experiences and physical actions. This suggests that thoughts and emotions are not solely products of neural activity, but also arise through embodied experiences. Research supports the idea that bodily states can significantly affect mental functions. For instance, adopting certain postures may enhance feelings of confidence, while facial expressions can influence emotional perception. This evidence implies that the body serves as an integral component of cognitive processes, merging physiological responses with psychological states. This region of study reveals how individuals relate to their surroundings, further bridging the gap between internal and external experiences. The implications of embodied cognition can be seen in various domains, from education to therapy, where understanding the body's role in learning and behavior becomes critical. By recognizing the interconnectedness of body and mind, a more holistic understanding of human experience emerges. This theory invites a re-evaluation of traditional views on cognition, emphasizing that mental processes are deeply rooted in physicality, and further examining how this interplay shapes social interactions and emotional responses. Imitation emerges as a critical element in childhood development, intricately linked to the function of mirror neurons. These specialized cells activate both when an individual performs an action and when they observe the same action performed by another. This mirroring mechanism plays a foundational role in learning, enabling children to acquire skills and behaviors through observation. In early stages of life, children are particularly attuned to the actions of their caregivers, absorbing not just physical gestures but also emotional expressions. The activation of mirror neurons during these interactions fosters an environment ripe for social learning. By mimicking facial expressions and vocal intonations, infants begin to understand emotional states, gradually building empathy and social awareness. This process extends beyond mere imitation. As children observe and replicate actions, they also develop cognitive frameworks that integrate observed behaviors into their own repertoire. This capacity for imitation facilitates language acquisition, allowing children to not only learn words but also to grasp the nuances of communication through contextual observation. The implications of this biological basis for imitation are profound. It suggests that social engagement in the early years is not merely beneficial but crucial for cognitive and emotional development. The intricate network of mirror neurons thus serves as a bridge, connecting the individual to the social world, shaping interactions that lay the groundwork for future relationships and understanding. Social interactions unfold through a complex interplay of signals and responses, where these neurons play an essential role in facilitating communication. Engaging with others requires not only verbal exchanges, but also the subtleties of non-verbal cues. In this context, mirror neurons activate in response to observing actions or emotions displayed by another individual. This activation provides insight into the intentions and feelings of others, fostering a deeper comprehension of social nuances. In group settings, this neural response promotes synchronization, allowing individuals to align their behaviors and emotions. The mirroring process contributes to shared experiences, creating a sense of belonging and cohesion within social circles. Such interactions are vital for the development of empathy, as individuals begin to resonate with the emotional states of those around them. Research indicates that deficits in mirror neuron activity can lead to challenges in social communication, evident in conditions such as autism spectrum disorder. These findings underline the importance of this neural network in the development of social skills and emotional intelligence. As individuals navigate their environments, the ability to interpret and respond to the emotions of others shapes interpersonal dynamics. This capacity for understanding enhances relationships and fosters community, highlighting the profound impact of biological mechanisms on human connection. This intricate biological framework extends into the realm of emotional contagion, where shared feelings ripple through social interactions. The activation of mirror neurons plays a pivotal role in these phenomena, allowing individuals to resonate with the emotional states of others. When one person experiences joy, sadness, or even anxiety, these specialized neurons respond, triggering similar feelings within observers. This biological mirroring facilitates an unconscious sharing of emotions, forging deeper connections among individuals. In social settings, this mechanism may manifest as a subtle yet powerful influence. Groups can collectively experience heightened states of enthusiasm or empathy, often amplifying the emotional intensity of an event. Such occurrences illustrate the interconnectedness of human experience, where individual emotions can cascade through a crowd, creating a unified atmosphere. The implications of this understanding extend beyond mere interaction, influencing behaviors, decision-making, and even group dynamics. Researchers have explored how emotional contagion affects various environments, from workplaces to educational institutions. The presence of empathetic individuals can foster supportive settings, while the opposite may lead to negative spirals. This biological underpinning reveals the profound impact of shared emotions on societal well-being, underscoring the importance of fostering environments that promote positive emotional exchanges. In this light, mirror neurons serve as essential components in the architecture of human relationships, bridging individual experiences with collective emotional landscapes. The development of the mirror neuron system illustrates the remarkable adaptability of the brain. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections, plays a pivotal role in this process. Observational learning, where individuals acquire new behaviors through watching others, is fundamental to this evolution. This capability is crucial during childhood, a period marked by heightened receptiveness to social cues and emotional expressions. In this developmental stage, exposure to a variety of social interactions fosters the growth of mirror neurons. These specialized cells respond to both actions performed by oneself and those observed in others, reinforcing the bond between experience and empathy. As children imitate gestures and facial expressions, their neural circuitry becomes fine-tuned, enhancing their understanding of others' emotional states. Research indicates that enriching environments can bolster the efficiency of the mirror neuron system. Factors such as nurturing relationships, cultural exposure, and diverse experiences stimulate neuroplastic changes, allowing for a more nuanced appreciation of social contexts. In contrast, a lack of varied social interactions may hinder this development, potentially leading to difficulties in emotional comprehension. The interplay between mirror neurons and neuroplasticity underscores the dynamic nature of human development, illustrating how experiential learning shapes the neural framework that underpins empathetic behavior across the lifespan. The influence of mirror neurons extends beyond emotional understanding, weaving into the intricate processes of language acquisition. These specialized cells activate both when an individual engages in speech and when they observe others communicating. This shared neural activity facilitates the mimicking of sounds and gestures, crucial components in the early stages of language learning. In infancy, this region plays a pivotal role, allowing infants to absorb linguistic nuances from caregivers. They are not merely passive recipients. The activation of these neurons enables them to imitate vocalizations and gestures, laying the groundwork for verbal communication. Observational learning becomes a cornerstone of language development, with mirror neurons acting as conduits for understanding the intentions behind words and gestures. As children grow, the engagement of these neurons promotes the assimilation of complex grammatical structures and vocabulary. This region responds dynamically to various linguistic stimuli, adapting continuously as the child interacts with their environment. The ability to mirror the speech patterns of others enhances not only vocabulary acquisition, but also the subtleties of conversational dynamics. The interconnectedness of mirror neurons with other cognitive processes illustrates the profound significance of social interaction in language development. Learning to communicate extends beyond mere words. integrating emotional context and social cues. This intricate network of understanding is significantly influenced by mirror neurons, which activate both when an individual performs an action and when they observe the same action performed by another. These specialized cells serve as a biological foundation for empathy, allowing one to internally simulate the experiences of others. This simulation fosters a deeper comprehension of intentions, emotions, and desires, forming the basis for what is known as theory of mind. And theory of mind encompasses the ability to attribute mental states to oneself and others, recognizing that those states may differ from one's own. This cognitive skill is essential for navigating social interactions, enabling individuals to predict and interpret behaviors with nuance. The interplay between mirror neurons and this cognitive ability creates a bridge from mere observation to profound connection. In environments rich with social stimuli, such as crowded urban centers or within family gatherings, these neurons can amplify interpersonal understanding. They respond to subtle facial expressions, gestures, and tones, cultivating a shared emotional landscape. Children, in particular, exhibit rapid development of theory of mind as they engage with their surroundings, often reflecting the emotional states observed in caregivers and peers. Thus, the synergy between mirror neurons and cognitive empathy not only shapes social relationships, but also underpins the very fabric of human interaction. Individual differences in empathy are influenced by a complex interplay of genetic and environmental factors. Genetic predispositions can dictate the efficiency of neural mechanisms involved in empathetic responses. Variations in genes related to neurotransmitter systems may contribute to the distinct levels of empathy observed among individuals. These genetic traits interact with environmental influences, shaping experiences that further modulate empathetic capabilities. Childhood experiences play a significant role in developing empathy. Early attachments and social interactions contribute to the formation of empathetic responses. Children raised in nurturing environments often exhibit higher levels of emotional responsiveness. Conversely, adverse experiences, such as neglect or trauma, can hinder the development of these abilities, leading to diminished empathetic responses later in life. Cultural factors also exert a profound influence. Societal norms and values dictate the importance placed on empathy within different communities. In some cultures, empathy is actively encouraged and modeled, fostering environments where compassionate behaviors thrive. In others, follows iso unulos and compassionate behaviors thrive. In others, competitive or individualistic values may suppress the development of empathetic tendencies. Evaluation and socialization further refine these innate capacities. Interventions that promote understanding and compassion can enhance empathetic skills, demonstrating the malleability of this trait. Through the intricate dance of genetics and environment, empathy emerges as a dynamic quality, varying widely across the human experience. These mirror neurons play a crucial role in social learning, where individuals acquire behaviors and knowledge from observing others. This region of the brain activates when one observes actions, allowing for an internal simulation of those behaviors. Such mechanisms enable individuals to learn not only physical skills, but also complex social cues and emotional responses. Through this process, societies develop shared norms and values, shaping cultural identity. Cultural transmission relies heavily on these neural pathways, facilitating the spread of knowledge from one generation to the next. Children observe the actions and emotions of their caregivers, internalizing these interactions to form an understanding of their environment. This phenomenon is evident in various cultural practices, where traditional methods of storytelling, art, and rituals are passed down through generations, influenced by the very neurons that govern empathy. The capacity for imitation, rooted in the functioning of mirror neurons, fosters community cohesion. Individuals learn to navigate the complexities of social interactions, reinforcing bonds and promoting cooperative behavior within groups. This synergy contributes to the evolution of cultures, allowing them to adapt and respond to changing circumstances. Dysfunction in mirror neurons can significantly impact social interactions, particularly in the context of autism spectrum disorders. These neuronal circuits, essential for understanding and interpreting the actions of others, may not operate optimally in affected individuals. This disruption manifests as challenges in empathy and emotional resonance, leading to difficulties in recognizing social cues and engaging in reciprocal communication. Research suggests that the mirror neuron system is less active when individuals with autism observe or mimic the actions of others. Such diminished neural response can result in a disconnect from the emotional states of peers, further isolating them socially. This region of the brain, responsible for mirroring behaviors, plays a critical role in developing social skills, necessitating a deeper understanding of its functioning. Implications extend beyond interpersonal interactions. The dysfunction may influence cognitive processing, affecting how individuals with autism comprehend narratives or emotional contexts. These effects can hinder their ability to engage meaningfully in shared experiences, contributing to a cycle of misunderstanding and social withdrawal. Investigating these neural pathways offers insights into potential interventions aimed at enhancing social capabilities. Programs focusing on strengthening these neural connections may provide avenues for improving the quality of life for those on the spectrum, fostering greater social integration and understanding within communities. Each step taken towards understanding this dysfunction brings us closer to a more inclusive society. The intricate functions of mirror neurons provide insight into the underlying mechanisms of empathy and moral decision-making. These specialized cells respond not only when an individual performs an action, but also when observing the same action performed by others. This mirroring capability creates a neural resonance, facilitating emotional understanding and connection. And stim. In this context, empathy emerges as a vital component of social interaction, allowing individuals to perceive and share the feelings of others. The activation of these neurons during empathetic responses highlights a biological foundation for understanding and compassion. Observational studies reveal that when individuals engage with the emotions of others, the brain's mirror neuron system activates, reinforcing social bonds and promoting cooperative behavior. Moral decision-making is intricately linked to this process. The ability to empathize influences choices, guiding individuals toward actions that consider the feelings and well-being of others. This neural activity underscores the importance of emotional resonance in ethical considerations, where the consequences of actions extend beyond oneself. In various social contexts, the effectiveness of this system can vary, contributing to the complexity of human morality. It is within the interplay of these neurons that the essence of empathy and moral reasoning resides, shaping the fabric of interpersonal relationships and societal norms. Cross-cultural studies reveal intriguing variations in the function of mirror neurons and their influence on empathy. These findings suggest that cultural contexts play a significant role in shaping how individuals perceive and respond to the emotions of others. Different societies exhibit distinct patterns of emotional expression, which can affect the activation of these neural pathways. In collectivist cultures, where group harmony is emphasized, the engagement of mirror neurons may be heightened, fostering a deeper sense of shared experience among individuals. Contrastingly, in individualistic cultures, where personal achievements and autonomy are prioritized. The responses may reflect a more self-centered perspective. This divergence in empathy highlights the adaptability of mirror neurons to the surrounding cultural environment, suggesting that the biological underpinnings of empathy are not fixed, but fluid. Fast, but fluid. Research across various populations demonstrates that exposure to diverse emotional expressions can enhance empathic responses, indicating that mirror neurons respond not solely to innate stimuli, but also to learned social cues. Such adaptability reinforces the notion that empathy is both a biological and a cultural construct, shaped by experiences and societal values. The implications of these findings extend into social cohesion, conflict resolution, and cross-cultural communication, presenting a nuanced understanding of how empathy functions across human societies. This intricate relationship underscores the importance of considering cultural context in the study of human emotions. The influence of mirror neurons extends into the realm of altruism and pro-social behavior. These neurons activate both when an individual engages in an action and when they observe the same action performed by another. This mirroring process fosters a sense of shared experience, promoting empathy and understanding in social settings. This neural mechanism plays a critical role in motivating individuals to act in the interest of others, often at the expense of their own interests. Research indicates that activation of these neurons can lead to increased feelings of compassion and the desire to help those in need. Observing acts of kindness can stimulate these neurons, encouraging similar behaviors in witnesses. This phenomenon suggests a biological underpinning for the innate drive to support and assist fellow beings. In various studies, participants exposed to altruistic behaviors exhibited heightened pro-social tendencies, reinforcing the concept that empathy and generosity can be cultivated. Certain variations in mirror neuron activity can influence altruistic behavior across different individuals and cultures. These differences may explain why some people are more inclined to engage in helping behaviors. The interplay between neural activity and social learning shapes the foundation of human connectivity, illustrating how deeply embedded empathy is within our biological framework. This connection not only enhances individual well-being, but also strengthens societal bonds, fostering a cooperative environment essential for communal survival. Emotional intelligence relies heavily on the intricate functioning of mirror neurons. These specialized cells allow individuals to understand and share the feelings of others, creating a foundation for empathy. Through this neurological mechanism, emotional cues are not merely observed, but are felt, enabling a deeper connection between individuals. This capability facilitates the interpretation of subtle social signals, enhancing interpersonal relationships. In environments where communication is essential, the efficiency of these neurons becomes evident. They activate in response to the emotional expressions of others, allowing for an intuitive grasp of feelings such as joy, sadness, or frustration. This process aids in regulating one's own emotional responses, creating a feedback loop that promotes emotional awareness, and Senfeiten-Sa in educational settings. For instance, the presence of empathetic educators can significantly influence student outcomes. When these individuals engage with their students on an emotional level, it fosters an atmosphere conducive to learning and personal growth. The ability to recognize and respond to the emotions of others enhances collaboration and understanding. Researchers demonstrated that individuals with higher emotional intelligence tend to exhibit greater social success, highlighting the relevance of mirror neurons in forming connections. The interplay between these neurons and emotional intelligence underscores the profound impact of biological processes on human interaction and societal cohesion. The exploration of this relationship continues to reveal insights into the nature of empathy and relationships. Mirror neurons play a pivotal role in understanding the neuroscience of compassion. These specialized cells, first identified in primates, activate both when an individual performs an action and when they observe the same action performed by others. This dual activation fosters a sense of connection and understanding, bridging the gap between personal experience and the experiences of others. In the human brain, the presence of mirror neurons suggests a biological basis for empathetic responses. When witnessing another's suffering, these neurons fire, reflecting the emotional state of the observed individual. This reaction allows for a visceral understanding of pain and joy, enhancing the capacity for compassion. Research indicates that individuals with more active mirror neuron systems may demonstrate heightened empathy, responding more profoundly to the emotional experiences of those around them. Further examination reveals that the activity of these neurons is influenced by social context. In scenarios where compassion is necessary, the brain's circuitry engages deeply, facilitating supportive behaviors. The intricate interplay of mirror neurons with other neurological processes underscores the complexity of human emotional interactions. Neurological studies continue to uncover the subtleties of this interconnectedness, revealing how compassion not only shapes individual relationships, but also contributes to the broader social fabric. This evolving understanding may inform approaches to fostering empathy in diverse settings. From education to mental health, the activation of mirror neurons extends into the realms of music and art, revealing profound connections between sensory experiences and emotional responses. Engaging with art stimulates neural pathways, allowing individuals to resonate with the emotions conveyed by the artist. When observing a painting or listening to a composition, subtle changes in brain activity can mirror the creator's intentions. This phenomenon illustrates the capacity for empathy to transcend mere observation, fostering a shared emotional experience. Research indicates that listening to music activates similar regions of the brain associated with emotional processing and empathy. The intricate structures of rhythm, melody, and harmony can elicit responses that mirror the emotions embedded within the musical piece. This interplay suggests that music serves as a conduit for emotional expression, promoting connections between individuals and enhancing empathic understanding. Artistic experiences often evoke memories and personal reflections, further deepening the engagement with the content. This interaction can lead to increased emotional resonance, allowing the observer to experience feelings that may not be their own, yet feel intimately connected to the creator's intent. Such dynamics underscore the potential of art and music as tools for nurturing empathy and enhancing interpersonal connections. Through these mediums, individuals can explore shared human experiences, fostering understanding and compassion across diverse contexts. These intricate networks of mirror neurons play a significant role in psychiatric disorders, influencing emotional regulation and social interactions. In conditions such as autism spectrum disorder, deficits in mirror neuron activity may contribute to challenges in understanding others' emotions and intentions. This disruption affects the ability to form connections, resulting in difficulties in social communication. Research indicates that this particular region, associated with mirroring actions and emotions, may exhibit altered functionality in those affected by such disorders. These variations can manifest as an inability to empathize or respond appropriately to social cues, thus impacting daily life and relationships. Schizophrenia presents another dimension of mirror neuron dysfunction, where individuals may experience disjointed perceptions of reality. The disconnection between thought and action can lead to disturbances in emotional processing. Consequently, the impact on interpersonal relationships becomes pronounced, often resulting in social withdrawal and isolation. Engagement with therapeutic interventions aimed at fostering empathy may show promise. Techniques focused on enhancing social cognition can help re-establish connections, potentially mitigating some of the challenges posed by these disorders. Understanding the role of mirror neurons in these contexts provides insights into the biological underpinnings of empathy deficits. This knowledge has implications for treatment strategies and the development of support systems tailored to the needs of those affected. The interaction between these specialized neurons and cognitive empathy reveals a complex interplay within the human brain. Cognitive empathy involves the ability to understand another person's perspective or emotional state, relying on higher-order cognitive processes. Mirror neurons contribute to this understanding by facilitating the recognition of emotions through observed behaviors, creating a bridge between emotional resonance and intellectual comprehension. Activation patterns in the brain illustrate this connection. When observing an individual experiencing joy or distress, mirror neurons fire in response, simulating the observed emotional state. This response lays the groundwork for deeper cognitive processing, allowing individuals to interpret and analyze the emotions of others. This mechanism is crucial in social interactions, enabling nuanced communication and fostering connections among individuals. Certain regions such as the anterior insula and the medial prefrontal cortex, play significant roles in merging the emotional and cognitive aspects of empathy. They integrate sensory input with emotional experience, allowing for a comprehensive understanding of others' feelings. This integration is not limited to human interactions. Similar processes can be observed in responses to animal behavior, suggesting a broader evolutionary grounding for empathy across species. Understanding the relationship between mirror neurons and cognitive empathy adds depth to the discourse on social cognition, highlighting the biological underpinnings that shape human interactions and emotional intelligence. Understanding the nuances of pain perception reveals the profound implications of mirror neurons in the context of suffering. When one observes another experiencing distress, these specialized neurons activate, creating an internal simulation of the pain being witnessed. This phenomenon serves to bridge the gap between individual experience and collective emotional resonance. Neuroscientific studies have illuminated how this mirroring capacity enables individuals to empathize with the suffering of others, making it a critical component in social bonding and moral reasoning. The activation of mirror neurons in response to pain not only allows for a shared understanding, but also facilitates compassionate responses. In this way, the biological architecture of empathy reinforces social cohesion, fostering a sense of community and shared responsibility. In various species, including primates and rodents, similar neural mechanisms have been documented, indicating that this empathetic response is not exclusive to humans. Observational learning plays a significant role in how these organisms adapt their behaviors in response to the pain of others, highlighting an evolutionary advantage in a communal environment. Exploring the interplay between mirror neurons and pain perception contributes to a broader understanding of emotional intelligence, shedding light on the intricate biological systems that underpin human empathy. This knowledge encourages further investigation into the mechanisms through which empathy shapes social dynamics and the moral landscape of society. Fortuitania. In the realm of sports and performance psychology, mirror neurons offer profound insights into the nuances of human behavior. These specialized cells respond not only to one's own actions, but also to the actions of others, facilitating a deeper understanding of movement and intention. Athletes often benefit from observing their peers in practice or competition. The activation of mirror neurons allows them to anticipate opponents' strategies and respond with precision. This region of neuroscience underscores the significance of modeling. When athletes witness exemplary performances, their mirror neurons stimulate a mental rehearsal of those actions, enhancing skill acquisition and execution. This phenomenon extends beyond the individual, fostering a sense of shared experience among teammates. Cohesion within a team can be attributed to this neural mirroring, as it cultivates empathy and synchronization during competitions. Training regimens increasingly incorporate techniques that leverage these brain functions. Visualization exercises encourage athletes to mentally simulate performances, tapping into the same neural pathways involved in physical execution. This approach not only refines technical skills, but also fortifies psychological resilience by fostering a profound connection to the collective experience of competition. Understanding the role of mirror neurons in sports illuminates the intersection of biology and high-level performance. Such insights deepen the appreciation of human capabilities, showcasing the intricate relationship between observation, imitation, and achievement in athletic endeavors. These capabilities suggest a foundational aspect of social interaction, where mirror neurons may have evolved as a critical adaptation for survival. This region of the brain, responsive to both observation and action, likely facilitated early human social structures. Enhanced communication and cooperation among individuals became paramount in complex social environments. The presence of these neurons allowed for an intuitive understanding of others' actions and emotions, promoting empathy and social bonding. In hunting groups, for instance, the ability to predict a companion's movements or intentions could mean the difference between success and failure. Such shared experiences fostered alliances, strengthening communal ties. The evolutionary trajectory reveals a significant advantage in social learning. The ability to imitate not only supports individual skill acquisition, but also ensures the transmission of cultural knowledge. Through these mechanisms, behaviors and practices were passed down generations ounce, creating a reservoir of shared human experience. The implications of mirror neuron activity extend beyond mere imitation. They hint at the emergence of complex social behaviors, including altruism and moral reasoning. As groups evolved, those with heightened empathic responses likely experienced improved cohesion, facilitating survival in an increasingly competitive landscape. In this way, mirror neurons serve as a bridge between individual action and collective experience, highlighting their essential role in shaping the social fabric of humanity. The relationship between stress and mirror neuron function reveals intricate dynamics that influence human interactions. Elevated stress levels can disrupt the delicate balance of neurochemicals, affecting mirror neuron activity. When individuals experience heightened stress, the brain's ability to empathize diminishes, leading to a reduced capacity for emotional resonance with others. This alteration can manifest as withdrawal or increased hostility, impacting social bonds. Research indicates that chronic stress suppresses the efficiency of mirror neurons, diminishing their responsiveness to social cues. Consequently, the brain may struggle to interpret emotions accurately, resulting in impaired communication. This phenomenon highlights how environmental factors can shape neural function, further emphasizing the importance of context in social interactions. In moments of acute stress, the body's fight or flight response may overshadow the empathic signals transmitted through mirror neurons. This prioritization of self-preservation can lead to a disconnection from others, fostering isolation. The implications extend beyond individual experiences. communities may suffer as collective stress erodes empathy, leading to societal fragmentation. Restoring balance is essential for the proper functioning of these neural circuits. Mindfulness practices and stress reduction techniques have shown promise in enhancing empathic responses, allowing individuals to reconnect with the social world. This interplay between stress and mirror neuron function underscores the profound impact of emotional health on interpersonal relationships. Gender differences in empathy manifest distinctly within the framework of mirror neuron studies. Research indicates that females generally exhibit heightened empathetic responses compared to their male counterparts. This tendency may be rooted in both biological and socio-cultural factors. These findings suggest that neural activation patterns diverge based on gender when individuals engage with emotional stimuli. In experimental settings, females often demonstrate greater activation of mirror neuron systems while observing emotional expressions. This enhanced activity appears to facilitate deeper emotional resonance, allowing for a more nuanced understanding of others' feelings. Conversely, the male brain tends to show less activation in the same neural regions, which may correlate with different socialization experiences and expectations regarding emotional expression. Cognitive assessments further reveal that these neural responses translate into behavioral differences. Females frequently report stronger empathetic feelings and engage more readily in supportive behaviors when confronted with others' distress. Males, while capable of empathy, may process emotional cues through a more analytical lens, leading to varied expressions of compassion. These variations emphasize the complexity of empathy, showcasing how biological predispositions and environmental influences shape emotional responses. Understanding these gender-based distinctions contributes to a broader comprehension of social dynamics and emotional intelligence, illustrating the intricate web that connects neural activity to human interaction. Activation of mirror neurons occurs within specific regions of the brain, primarily the premotor cortex and the inferior parietal lobule. These areas respond not only when an individual performs an action, but also when they observe another executing the same behavior. This dual response mechanism forms a fundamental basis for learning through imitation and understanding others' intentions. Neurotransmitters play a crucial role in this process. Dopamine, for instance, enhances the connection between neurons, facilitating communication across synapses. This heightened connectivity allows for the efficient processing of social cues, contributing to the development of empathy. In observing actions, the brain engages in predictive coding, where it anticipates the outcomes of those actions. This anticipatory mechanism is critical in social contexts, as it aids individuals in navigating complex interactions. The mirror neuron system becomes particularly salient in altruistic behavior, where understanding another's emotional state can prompt supportive actions. Research indicates that variations in this system may explain differences in empathy levels among individuals. Structural and functional imaging has revealed that certain individuals possess more active mirror neuron networks, correlating with higher empathetic responses. These findings suggest that the neurophysiological underpinnings of mirror neurons not only illuminate individual behavior, but also enhance comprehension of broader social phenomena. The development of social norms is intricately linked to the functioning of mirror neurons. These specialized cells facilitate the ability to understand and mimic the actions of others, forming a foundation for learning and social interaction. In various contexts, such as early childhood, The presence of these neurons enables individuals to observe and replicate behaviors deemed acceptable within their community. This process is vital for the transmission of cultural values and practices. In studies involving infants, it has been observed that they engage in imitative behaviors shortly after birth. This inclination to mirror the actions of caregivers plays a crucial role in establishing social bonds. It fosters an environment where shared experiences shape the understanding of appropriate behaviors and expectations. Through this emulation, norms begin to crystallize, becoming integral aspects of interpersonal relationships. In social groups, mirror neurons contribute to the reinforcement of collective behaviors. As individuals observe and imitate the actions of peers, behaviors that align with group norms gain prominence. This mechanism not only solidifies social structures, but also guides individuals in navigating complex social landscapes. The consequences of non-conformity can lead to social sanctions, reflecting the powerful influence of these neural mechanisms on maintaining societal order. As a result, mirror neurons serve as a critical component in the evolution and perpetuation of social norms, influencing behaviors across generations. The influence of these neural mechanisms extends into the realm of interpersonal relationships, shaping how individuals connect and interact. Through the activation of mirror neurons, empathy becomes a shared experience, fostering deeper emotional bonds. This biological response allows individuals to resonate with the feelings of others, creating an environment conducive to cooperation and mutual support. Such connections have profound implications for survival. Communities built on empathy are more resilient, as they can better navigate challenges through collaboration. The ability to understand another's emotional state enhances communication, establishing trust and reducing conflict. These interactions are not merely social constructs, but evolutionary advantages that promote group cohesion. In this intricate web of relationships, the role of mirror neurons becomes evident in both nurturing and social learning. These neurons facilitate the observation and imitation of behaviors, allowing individuals to learn from one another and adapt to their environment. This learning process is fundamental for passing down knowledge and skills, ensuring the continuity of cultural practices. The evolutionary advantage of this mirror neuron system is clear. By enabling individuals to engage in empathetic interactions and learn from their peers, it has shaped the very fabric of human society. As these mechanisms operate beneath the surface, they continue to influence the dynamics of social connections, fostering a sense of belonging and community. Meditation offers a unique lens through which to examine the activity of mirror neurons. Engaging in this practice alters brain function, promoting a state of awareness conducive to empathy and emotional regulation. Research indicates that individuals who regularly meditate exhibit increased activity in these neural circuits, suggesting a direct correlation between mindfulness and empathetic responses. In tranquil settings, where introspection reigns, the mind engages with sensations, thoughts, and emotions in a profound manner. This heightened state of awareness facilitates a deeper connection with others, allowing for a more nuanced understanding of their experiences. Through consistent practice, the brain appears to rewire itself, fostering neural pathways that enhance compassionate responses. The physiological changes associated with meditation extend beyond the individual. Collective meditation sessions can amplify these effects, creating a shared emotional resonance among participants. This communal aspect reinforces social bonds as increased empathy fosters a sense of unity. Scientific findings reveal that meditation not only enhances the operation of mirror neurons, but also contributes to overall psychological well-being. The practice encourages emotional resilience, enabling individuals to navigate complex social landscapes with greater ease. As meditation continues to gain traction, its implications for fostering empathy and improving social cohesion warrant further exploration, illuminating the intricate connections between the mind and human interactions. The relationship between these neural mechanisms and psychopathy presents a complex picture of emotional processing and social behavior. Mirror neurons, which facilitate the understanding of others' emotions through direct neural responses, appear to be less active in individuals exhibiting psychopathic traits. This reduced activity may contribute to their diminished capacity for empathy, leading to difficulties in forming genuine emotional connections with others. In this context, the brain's architecture reflects an intricate balance between social cognition and emotional response. Those with psychopathy often display a remarkable ability to mimic emotions superficially. Yet this imitation does not resonate on a deeper emotional level. These individuals may possess intact cognitive empathy, allowing them to understand emotional cues, but their affective empathy remains compromised. This distinction is critical, as it shapes their interactions and moral reasoning. Research suggests that the diminished functionality of mirror neurons may play a role in the underlying mechanisms of psychopathy. Observing the emotional experiences of others does not generate the same empathetic response, leading to behaviors characterized by manipulation and a lack of remorse. This highlights a fundamental divergence in the neural processing of social emotions, creating a stark contrast between the empathetic responses observed in typical development and those seen in psychopathy. Understanding this relationship may provide insights into interventions aimed at enhancing emotional awareness and fostering healthier social interactions. These insights extend into the realm of parenting and attachment bonds, where the role of mirror neurons becomes increasingly significant. In early development, interactions between caregivers and infants are crucial for establishing emotional connections. The activation of mirror neurons during these exchanges allows caregivers to resonate with the emotional states of their children. This resonance fosters a profound sense of understanding, enabling infants to perceive and internalize emotional cues. When a parent smiles at their child, the corresponding neural response in both individuals reinforces attachment. This neural mirroring facilitates the child's ability to recognize and respond to emotions in others, laying the groundwork for social awareness. Caregivers, through their expressions and reactions, model behaviors that the child will later emulate, creating a cycle of empathetic engagement. The dynamics of this interaction are not limited to positive emotion. Observations of distress in a child activate similar responses in the caregiver's brain, prompting instinctual protective behaviors. Such interactions shape not only immediate responses, but also influence long-term emotional regulation and social competence. All consequently, the interplay of mirror neurons in these formative relationships underscores the biological foundation of empathy in human development. As children grow, these early experiences create a framework for understanding complex social environments, establishing a lifelong capacity for empathy and connection. Neuroscience reveals the intricate mechanisms underpinning empathy, specifically through the function of mirror neurons. These specialized cells become activated both when an individual performs an action and when they observe that action in another. This dual activation facilitates a profound connection, allowing one to intuitively grasp the emotions and intentions of others. In this region of the brain, where social understanding resides, the synchronization of neural pathways occurs, fostering an intricate web of emotional resonance. Research suggests that the activation of mirror neurons is linked to the ability to empathize with others' experiences, providing a biological foundation for social interaction. When one witnesses joy or suffering, these neurons mirror the observed feelings, effectively bridging the gap between self and others. This phenomenon enables a deeper understanding of shared human experiences, cultivating compassion and social cohesion. Diverse studies indicate that empathy is not solely an innate trait, but can also be cultivated through various social experiences. Environments that promote emotional expression and connection can enhance the efficacy of these neural networks. The implications of this understanding extend beyond individual relationships, affecting societal dynamics and fostering communal empathy. Through the lens of neuroscience, the biological basis for empathy becomes clearer, emphasizing its critical role in the fabric of human interaction and cooperation. The intricate relationship between mirror neurons and emotional regulation reveals fundamental insights into human behavior. These specialized cells activate both when an individual performs an action and when they observe the same action in another, fostering a unique understanding of others' emotional states. This mirroring process facilitates not only emotional recognition, but also emotional response. Through the activation of these neurons, it becomes possible to experience a shared emotional landscape, allowing individuals to navigate social situations with a heightened sense of awareness. The interplay between observation and action contributes to emotional regulation, as individuals learn to modulate their responses based on the emotions they perceive in others. In this manner, empathy can serve as a regulatory mechanism, steering responses in social contexts. In settings where emotional cues are prevalent, such as among close family or friends, the presence of these neurons enables a feedback loop. Observing distress may evoke compassion, prompting supportive behavior. Conversely, recognizing joy can amplify one's own happiness, creating a sense of connection. This biological framework underpins not only interpersonal relationships, but also community cohesion. By facilitating a shared emotional experience, mirror neurons play an essential role in fostering understanding and cooperation. The implications extend to various domains, including education, therapy, and conflict resolution, emphasizing the profound impact of these neurons on human dynamics. This influence manifests significantly within group dynamics, where the presence of mirror neurons fosters a sense of connection among individuals. The ability to resonate with the emotions and actions of others creates a shared understanding, often facilitating cooperation and social bonding. Observations in social settings indicate that when one member of a group displays empathy or emotional expressions, others are likely to mirror these sentiments, leading to a synchronized emotional state. This phenomenon can enhance group cohesion and promote collective decision-making. The neural mechanisms at play are fundamental to understanding social behaviors. Empathy, driven by these neurons, allows individuals to respond to the feelings of their peers, enhancing interpersonal communication. This responsiveness becomes particularly evident in collaborative environments, where mutual support can drive productivity and innovation. In larger communities, Mirror neurons contribute to the formation of social norms and cultural practices, as individuals imitate behaviors that resonate emotionally. Such imitative behavior plays a crucial role in the transmission of values and traditions across generations, solidifying communal bonds. The implications reach beyond mere interaction, influencing how groups navigate conflicts and challenges. Empathetic responses can diffuse tensions, fostering dialogue and understanding. This capacity for emotional attunement underscores the critical role of mirror neurons in shaping not only personal relationships, but also the broader social fabric. All consequently, empathy, facilitated by mirror neurons, plays a pivotal role in conflict resolution and negotiation. These neurons enable individuals to resonate with the feelings and intentions of others, fostering an atmosphere of understanding and collaboration. This understanding can be crucial in high-stakes situations where opposing parties may initially perceive each other as adversaries. As they engage, the activation of mirror neurons encourages the recognition of shared emotions, promoting a shift from confrontation to dialogue. In moments of tension, individuals may unconsciously mirror each other's body language and expressions. This mirroring can lead to the de-escalation of conflict, as it creates a sense of connection, even among those with differing viewpoints. The ability to perceive and reflect emotional states allows negotiators to navigate complex interactions with greater sensitivity. Research indicates that when individuals activate their mirror neuron systems, they are more likely to find common ground. This biological mechanism becomes a bridge in negotiations, facilitating a shift from positional bargaining towards interest-based resolutions. Empathy generated through this neural activity encourages a focus on shared goals rather than entrenched positions. Technology has begun to influence the functioning of mirror neurons in various ways. The proliferation of digital communication platforms alters how individuals engage with one another and experience empathy. In online interactions, the absence of physical presence diminishes the sensory cues that typically activate these neurons. This reduction may lead to a lessened capacity for emotional resonance, often resulting in misunderstandings or weakened connections. Virtual reality technology offers a unique opportunity to stimulate mirror neuron activity in a controlled environment. Immersive experiences can evoke emotional responses, enabling individuals to connect with others' experiences on a deeper level. By simulating real-life scenarios, these technologies may enhance empathetic understanding, allowing users to step into another's perspective without the constraints of geographical boundaries. Social media platforms also shape the landscape of empathy. While they can facilitate connections across distances, the curated nature of online personas often creates a barrier to genuine emotional exchange. The tendency to present idealized versions of oneself can lead to superficial interactions, which may inhibit the development of authentic, empathetic responses. Research continues to explore the implications of these technological influences on human empathy. Understanding the delicate balance between digital engagement and genuine emotional connection is crucial. The evolution of communication methods could redefine how empathy manifests in an increasingly interconnected world. While these advancements in communication methods could also significantly influence the development of artificial intelligence, mirror neurons, integral to human empathy, provide insights that may guide the programming of empathetic responses in machines. This neural phenomenon allows individuals to understand and resonate with the emotions of others, a capability that is becoming increasingly desirable in AI systems. Research indicates that machines can be designed to simulate this empathetic understanding, enhancing interactions between humans and technology. By incorporating principles derived from mirror neuron functionality, developers can create algorithms that recognize emotional cues and respond appropriately. This approach could lead to more effective communication between humans and artificial entities, fostering environments where AI serves as supportive companions or assistants. The implications extend to various fields, including healthcare, education, and customer service. In healthcare, empathetic AI could assist in patient care by recognizing distress signals and providing comfort. In education, it could adapt to students' emotional states, offering tailored support. Such developments raise ethical questions surrounding the nature of empathy and its replication in machines. The distinction between genuine human emotion and artificial mimicry may blur, leading to critical discussions about the role of empathy in technology. The future of artificial intelligence holds the potential for profound changes in human-machine interactions, shaped by the understanding of our own neural architecture. Virtual reality experiences are increasingly influenced by the understanding of mirror neurons, which play a pivotal role in how individuals engage with simulated environments. These specialized neurons activate both when one performs an action and when observing others executing the same action. In the context of virtual reality, this mechanism fosters a sense of presence and connection to the avatars and scenarios presented. In immersive settings, these neurons facilitate emotional resonance, allowing individuals to experience empathy towards virtual characters. This response can enhance storytelling, creating deeper emotional ties and enhancing the overall experience. The engagement of mirror neurons may help explain why users often react physically and emotionally to virtual events, as if they were real. Research indicates that the activation of these neurons can be influenced by the level of realism and interactivity within the virtual environment. High-fidelity graphics and responsive systems amplify the effectiveness of empathy, leading to more profound psychological impacts. The implications extend beyond entertainment. Therapeutic applications of virtual reality utilize these principles to treat conditions such as post-traumatic stress disorder and social anxiety. By simulating scenarios that evoke empathy and understanding, individuals can confront their fears in a controlled setting, guided by the innate power of mirror neurons. This intersection of neuroscience and technology continues to redefine human experiences within virtual realms. The intricate workings of mirror neurons provide insight into how narratives resonate within the human experience. These specialized cells activate both when an individual performs an action and when they observe another engaging in the same behavior. This mirroring mechanism fosters a deep connection to the emotions and intentions of others, essential for understanding stories. In this context, narratives become a bridge between the self and the experiences of characters. The activation of mirror neuron enables individuals to empathize with protagonists, leading to a rich emotional engagement with various forms of storytelling. This phenomenon is not limited to verbal narratives. Visual art, film, and interactive media also engage these neural pathways, allowing for a shared emotional landscape. Observations reveal that stories structured to evoke emotional responses tend to activate these neurons more effectively. Characters exhibiting vulnerability or strength can elicit profound reactions, reinforcing the bond between viewer and narrative. This bond is fundamental to collective human experiences, shaping cultural understandings and shared values. As research into mirror neurons evolves, the implications for education, therapy, and entertainment become increasingly significant. The ability to foster empathy through storytelling may enhance social cohesion and understanding, illuminating the shared human condition. This intricate interplay of biology and narrative continues to be a focal point in the exploration of human connection. And the therapeutic settings, mirror neurons hold significant potential for enhancing the healing process. Their activation occurs when individuals observe others engage in various emotional or physical states. This neural mirroring facilitates a deeper understanding of others' experiences and fosters empathy, which is crucial in therapeutic environments. Practitioners utilize this phenomenon to create a bond with clients, allowing them to feel seen and understood. Observations of emotional expressions can trigger corresponding feelings within the observer. In therapy, this response can help clients articulate their emotions and experiences more clearly. The presence of a therapist who embodies empathy can catalyze this process, enabling clients to navigate their struggles with greater clarity. The capacity for these neurons to reflect emotional states creates a unique dynamic, encouraging vulnerability and openness. In group therapy, the collective experience is magnified. Participants often mirror each other's expressions and emotions, forging connections that may otherwise remain elusive. This shared understanding can foster a sense of belonging, pivotal for those grappling with feelings of isolation. Practitioners are increasingly aware of the implications mirror neurons have for treatment modalities. Techniques that emphasize emotional resonance are being integrated into therapeutic practices, allowing for a more holistic approach to healing. The exploration of these neural mechanisms continues to reveal their profound impact on human interactions and emotional recovery. Trauma introduces a significant alteration in mirror neuron function, affecting the ability to empathize and connect with others. This region of the brain, responsible for mirroring the actions and emotions of those around us, can become compromised following adverse experiences. The disruption causes individuals to struggle with recognizing and resonating with the feelings of others, leading to a profound sense of isolation. Research indicates that exposure to traumatic events may diminish the activity of these neurons, resulting in a muted response to emotional cues. In situations where empathy is crucial for social bonding and support, this impairment becomes particularly pronounced. Consequences extend beyond personal relationships, influencing broader societal interactions and collective well-being. Neuroscientific studies illustrate that individuals with a history of trauma often exhibit altered brain connectivity, further impacting their capacity to engage with social environments. The fading company of empathy can contribute to cycles of disconnection, as both the individual and their community grapple with the repercussions. Therapeutic interventions aim to restore the function of mirror neurons, employing techniques that encourage emotional engagement and re-establish connections. These efforts reveal the resilience of the human brain and its capacity for recovery, highlighting the delicate balance between trauma and the innate desire for empathy. Mirror neurons serve a critical function in understanding social behaviors across various species, found in several animals, including primates and birds. These specialized cells activate both when an individual performs an action and when it observes the same action being performed by another. This dual activation is pivotal in the development of empathy, allowing for an intuitive grasp of others' emotions and intentions. Research has unveiled that mirror neurons facilitate not only imitation, but also emotional resonance. In social species, this neurological system enables individuals to respond to the feelings of their peers, fostering cooperation and bonding. Observations of these interactions highlight how mirror neuron activity correlates with pro-social behaviors, such as altruism and nurturing. In certain experiments, the presence of mirror neurons has been linked to empathetic responses. For instance, when witnessing distress in another, animals exhibit physiological changes, suggesting an internal simulation of the observed experience. This phenomenon underscores the evolutionary advantage of empathy, enhancing group cohesion and survival. Across the animal kingdom, the function of mirror neurons appears to be a foundational component in the development of complex social structures. As these systems evolve, they contribute to a deeper understanding of emotional landscapes, shedding light on the intricate web of connections that bind communities together. The interaction between mirror neurons and emotional memory reveals profound implications for social behavior. These specialized cells, located in the premotor cortex and other areas, activate both during the execution of an action and when observing similar actions performed by others. In this region, emotional experiences become imprinted, creating a bridge between perception and memory. When an individual witnesses another expressing an emotion, activation of these neurons facilitates a shared emotional experience, enhancing recall of personal memories tied to similar feelings. This mechanism allows for the recognition and understanding of emotional states, fostering social cohesion. Encounters with others' emotional expressions trigger a cascade of neural activities, leading to the retrieval of personal memories associated with those feelings. Such recollections can influence responses in future social interactions, reinforcing empathetic behavior. These phenomena are crucial for the development of social bonds and the nurturing of communities. In instances where emotions are deeply embedded within memory, the role of mirror neurons becomes even more pronounced. They not only allow for observational learning, but also serve as a catalyst for emotional resonance. The intertwining of memory and empathy through these neurons supports the formation of strong interpersonal connections, as shared experiences evoke a sense of belonging and understanding among individuals. This process is foundational for the intricate dynamics of human relationships. The influence of social media on empathy is profound, reshaping the landscape of interpersonal connections. This medium fosters an environment where individuals can share experiences instantaneously, introducing a new layer to mirror neuron activation. The digital representations of emotions, captured in images, videos, and text, can stimulate neural responses similar to those activated during face-to-face interactions. Interactions within these platforms allow for the amplification of emotional expressions, creating a unique conduit for empathy. It is through these shares and reactions that users engage with the emotional states of others, often leading to an empathetic response without direct physical presence. The rapid exchange of emotional content can enhance understanding and compassion among users, even across vast distances. Conversely, the curated nature of online interactions may lead to a disconnect. When individuals present idealized versions of themselves, the authenticity of emotional engagement can be compromised. This dissonance may hinder genuine empathy, as the mirror neurons that facilitate understanding can be deprived of the rich context that comes with real-world interactions. The balance between connection and detachment within social media underscores the complexity of human relationships in the digital age. These interactions continuously evolve, influencing not only individual empathic capacities, but also the collective emotional landscape of society. Understanding this dynamic is essential for navigating the future of human connection. In educational settings, mirror neurons play a pivotal role in shaping the learning process. These specialized cells activate both when an individual performs an action and when they observe the same action being performed by others. This capability fosters an environment where students can engage with material on a deeper, more empathetic level. Through observation, they not only absorb concepts, but also develop the capacity to relate to their peers and educators. The implications extend beyond mere academic understanding. When students witness their instructors demonstrating problem-solving techniques or emotional responses, they are more likely to internalize these behaviors. This mirroring effect creates a sense of community, encouraging collaboration and enhancing interpersonal relationships. As a result, classrooms become spaces where not just knowledge, but also social skills can flourish. Curricula that incorporate activities promoting observation and interaction can harness this neurological phenomenon. Cooperative learning strategies, peer teaching, and role-playing scenarios enable learners to engage with content while simultaneously fostering empathy. This engagement leads to enriched educational experiences, as students are not only taught information, but are also encouraged to understand diverse perspectives. Such insights into the workings of mirror neuron underscore the importance of creating nurturing environments that value emotional intelligence alongside cognitive development. Research indicates that mirror neurons play a significant role in shaping consumer behavior. The activation of these neurons can lead to empathetic responses toward brands, products, and advertisements. When individuals observe others engaging with a product, these neurons activate, creating an internal simulation of that experience. This response fosters a sense of connection and understanding, influencing purchasing decisions. Of retail environments, the presence of social cues, such as customer interactions and visual displays, can trigger mirror neuron activity. Shoppers often mirror the emotions and behaviors of those around them, leading to a shared experience that can enhance or diminish interest in specific products. Emotional resonance becomes a key factor in this dynamic, as positive experiences can amplify the desirability of a product. Ad-sourcing strategies often leverage this phenomenon by showcasing relatable scenarios. When consumers see characters experiencing joy or satisfaction from a product, they may unconsciously mirror these emotions, increasing the likelihood of engagement. This underscores the profound impact of social and emotional stimuli on consumer choices, revealing that decisions are not merely rational, but deeply intertwined with empathetic understanding. The implications extend beyond individual purchases, influencing brand loyalty and consumer relationships. By recognizing the significance of mirror neurons, marketers can create more effective strategies that resonate on an emotional level. Cultural identity and expression find a profound connection through the workings of mirror neurons. These specialized neurons, which activate when observing the actions or emotions of others, contribute to the understanding of complex social dynamics. In diverse communities, this neural mechanism fosters a shared sense of belonging and understanding, bridging gaps between individual experiences. Through empathetic responses, These neurons allow individuals to resonate with the narratives and traditions of their culture. In artistic expressions, such as music, dance, and storytelling, mirror neurons play a crucial role in evoking emotional responses. The engagement with cultural artifacts enables individuals to connect deeply with collective memories and values. Observing a performance or partaking in a shared ritual activates these neural pathways, reinforcing bonds among participants and enhancing cultural transmission. This phenomenon promotes not only individual identity, but also communal solidarity. Language, too, benefits from the influence of mirror neurons. The understanding of gestures, tones, and expressions serves as a conduit for conveying cultural nuances. Through this biological framework, individuals internalize the subtleties of their cultural contexts. The interplay of actions and reactions fosters a continuous cycle of learning and adaptation, essential for the evolution of cultural identity. Thus, mirror neurons are instrumental in shaping the intricate web of human expression, facilitating a deeper appreciation of diverse cultures across the globe. Cooperation among humans is often guided by the subtle mechanisms of mirror neurons. These specialized cells, located in various regions of the brain, activate when an individual observes another's actions. This mirroring effect fosters an immediate understanding of intentions, creating a bridge for collaborative effort. In social groups, this neural connectivity enhances the ability to synchronize behaviors, promoting efficient teamwork and shared goals. Aligning emotional responses. This alignment encourages a sense of trust and mutual understanding, essential for effective collaboration. Experiences of shared goals and collective problem-solving flourish in environments where these neural pathways operate optimally, facilitating complex interactions. In various cultural contexts, cooperation manifests in unique ways, yet the underlying neuroscience remains constant. Whether in small communities or large organizations, the influence of mirror neurons enhances the capacity to empathize with others, leading to more harmonious relationships. The ability to resonate with another's emotions supports conflict resolution, fostering environments where cooperation is prioritized. Furthermore, educational settings benefit from an awareness of these neural dynamics. Teaching methods that promote observational learning can enhance group cooperation as students engage with one another's experiences. The implications of understanding mirror neurons extend beyond individual interactions, shaping the very foundations of human society. The role of mirror neurons in the perception of humor reveals a profound connection between neural activity and social cognition. When individuals encounter humor, it is often through a shared experience that elicits laughter and joy. This reaction is not merely a personal response, it is intricately tied to the activation of mirror neuron systems. Observing another person laughing or smiling can trigger similar neural pathways, fostering a sense of connection and shared understanding. In this context, they facilitate the recognition of incongruity, a hallmark of humor. When one experiences a humorous situation, the brain processes both the comedic element and the emotional response of others. It is through this mirroring that individuals are able to resonate with the laughter around them, enhancing the overall experience. The interaction extends to various forms of humor, from subtle wit to overt slapstick, each engaging the mirror neuron system differently. This neural engagement allows for a richer comprehension of comedic timing and social cues, which are often lost in solitary experiences. In environments where humor thrives, the presence of these neurons creates a communal atmosphere, reinforcing bonds and promoting social cohesion. The shared laughter acts as a bridge, connecting individuals and facilitating interactions that transcend mere words, showcasing the profound impact of these tiny neural entities on human experience. This profound impact extends into the realm of charisma, where mirror neurons play an essential role in influencing social dynamics. Charismatic individuals possess an innate ability to engage and captivate their audiences, often evoking strong emotional responses. The mechanisms behind this phenomenon are rooted in the brain's wiring, where these specialized neurons enable the mirroring of emotions and intentions. When a charismatic figure expresses enthusiasm or confidence, it activates similar neural pathways in others, creating a sense of resonance. This resonance fosters an emotional connection that enhances the speaker's appeal. The subtle cues of body language, facial expressions, and vocal tone are effortlessly mirrored by those within proximity, amplifying the charisma of the individual. Research indicates that the effectiveness of this mirroring is not merely an unconscious imitation. Rather, it reflects a deeper understanding of the emotional states of others. This empathetic engagement allows for a shared experience, reinforcing social bonds and facilitating the flow of communication. In social settings, the interplay of these neurons can be observed in how groups respond collectively to a leader's presence. The ability to inspire and motivate hinges on this biological foundation, revealing the intricate relationship between neural processes and the subtleties of human interaction. The fascinating dynamics illustrate the biological underpinnings that contribute to the complex nature of charisma. Innovations in neuroimaging technology are charting new territories in the study of mirror neurons. Techniques such as functional magnetic resonance imaging, or fMRI, provide unparalleled insights into brain activity, allowing researchers to observe these neurons in real time as individuals engage in social interactions. These advancements enable the identification of specific neural pathways activated during empathetic exchanges, deepening the understanding of emotional resonance. In addition, Amen Sazish unthinksest remark, the application of electrophysiological methods allows for the measurement of electrical activity in individual neurons. This precision enhances the ability to discern the roles mirror neurons play in various contexts, particularly in learning through observation. It provides a clearer picture of how these neural cells contribute to the acquisition of social behaviors and skills. The integration of artificial intelligence into neuroscience holds promise as well. Machine learning algorithms analyze vast datasets, identifying patterns that human researchers may overlook. This capability could lead to breakthroughs in understanding the complexities of empathy and social cognition. Longitudinal studies involving these technologies may also shed light on how mirror neuron activity changes over time, potentially revealing the effects of environment and experience on empathy development. This future research is poised to deepen insights into the neural mechanisms of social behavior, influencing educational practices and therapeutic approaches in mental health. The role of mirror neurons extends into the realms of aging and cognitive decline. Research indicates that these specialized cells may exhibit altered functionality as individuals progress through the aging process. This alteration potentially impacts social cognition and emotional understanding, which are vital for maintaining interpersonal relationships. Observational learning, a key attribute of empathy, may weaken affecting the ability to engage with others meaningfully. In older adults, the efficiency of mirror neuron activation appears to diminish, correlating with a decline in empathetic responses. This phenomenon may contribute to the feelings of isolation often reported by the elderly, as the capacity to interpret and resonate with the emotions of others becomes impaired. Furthermore, the decline in these neural mechanisms can hinder the ability to learn from social interactions, creating a feedback loop that exacerbates cognitive decline. The implications stretch beyond individual experiences, influencing community dynamics and support systems for aging populations. Understanding these changes provides a framework for developing interventions aimed at enhancing social engagement among older individuals. Programs that stimulate social interaction could help bolster the functionality of mirror neurons, potentially mitigating some aspects of cognitive decline. Continued exploration in this area may illuminate effective strategies for fostering empathy throughout the lifespan. The ethical implications of mirror neuron research warrant careful consideration. These neural systems, which facilitate understanding and sharing emotions, raise questions about the responsibilities tied to their discovery. Insights gained could influence practices in education, mental health, and social interaction. As knowledge expands, interventions might emerge that enhance empathetic responses in various populations. This potential for manipulation introduces ethical dilemmas. The ability to enhance or suppress empathetic responses could be misused, leading to scenarios where individuals or groups exploit others' emotions for personal gain. Safeguards must be established to ensure that advancements in this area promote well-being rather than exacerbate existing disparities. Research also prompts reflection on consent and autonomy. Should individuals be subject to interventions aimed at modifying their emotional responses without their explicit agreement? The balance between improving social cohesion and respecting personal integrity remains delicate. Additionally, understanding the biological underpinnings of empathy may challenge traditional views on moral responsibility. If empathy is largely driven by neural mechanisms, the implications for accountability in actions require thorough examinations. These considerations extend to societal structures, where the promotion of empathy could shift paradigms in justice, community engagement, and interpersonal relationships. The intricate network of mirror neurons plays a crucial role in understanding human behavior, facilitating the ability to perceive and resonate with the emotions of others. Located primarily in the premotor cortex and inferior parietal lobule, these specialized cells activate both when an individual performs an action and when they observe that same action in another. This dual activation is fundamental to social cognition, allowing for a shared experience of emotions and intentions. Studies indicate that these neurons contribute significantly to the development of empathy. When an individual witnesses another experiencing joy or pain, the same neural pathways associated with their own emotions are engaged. This mirroring process fosters deeper connections, bridging the gap between self and other. Within this framework, nonverbal communication becomes a vital aspect of human interaction, as expressions and gestures are interpreted through this neural lens. The influence of mirror neurons extends beyond immediate social encounters, permeating cultural narratives and collective behaviors. They establish a biological basis for emotional intelligence, shaping how communities respond to shared experiences. These insights reveal the complexity of human relationships, where understanding is not merely cognitive, but rooted in a physiological response to the emotional states of those around us. In this way, The study of mirror neurons illuminates the profound interdependence of individuals within a societal context. Verweerle Tidele de mirror neurons illuminates the profound interdependence of individuals within a societal context. These specialized cells activate both when an individual performs an action and when they observe the same action performed by others. This mirroring effect facilitates a deeper understanding of emotions and intentions, allowing for a silent dialogue that transcends spoken language. Such interactions often occur in various social settings, where subtle cues, such as facial expressions and body language, play a pivotal role in conveying meaning. In close proximity, these silent signals create an unspoken bond, where individuals instinctively respond to one another's emotions. The activation of mirror neurons enhances the ability to interpret these signals accurately, contributing to the development of empathetic responses. Eye contact, a slight smile, or a shift in posture can trigger a cascade of neural responses that resonate between individuals. This phenomenon extends beyond mere observation. It fosters a shared emotional experience. The capacity to mirror another's feelings influences social cohesion, promoting understanding and cooperation. In intimate relationships, the nuances of nonverbal communication can solidify connections, while in larger groups, it supports the collective emotional climate. Research continues to unfold the complexities of mirror neurons and their role in empathy. Recent studies suggest that variations in mirror neuron activity may influence the capacity for social understanding among individuals. This variability could illuminate why certain people exhibit heightened sensitivity to the emotions of others, while some struggle to connect. Investigating these differences offers a pathway to understanding the neurobiological underpinnings of empathy. Advancements in neuroimaging techniques enable researchers to observe mirror neuron activity in real time. This emerging technology provides insights into how these neurons react during various social interactions, revealing patterns that correlate with empathetic responses. The potential for this research extends beyond mere understanding. It may inform therapeutic approaches for conditions characterized by empathy deficits, such as autism spectrum disorder or psychopathy. The integration of mirror neuron research within educational settings is also gaining attention. Programs designed to enhance empathetic skills through targeted interventions could be developed, utilizing the principles gleaned from ongoing studies. Additionally, exploring the intersection of cultural factors may further enrich the understanding of how empathy is cultivated across diverse populations. As investigations delve deeper into the mechanisms of mirror neurons, a comprehensive understanding of empathy could emerge, leading to broader implications for social cohesion and emotional intelligence in communities. These directions promise to illuminate the intricate dance of connection that defines human relationships. Crisis situations often evoke rapid responses, with individuals displaying heightened empathy and connection. This phenomenon can be traced to the activity of mirror neurons, which play a pivotal role in understanding the emotions and actions of others. Observing distress in another individual activates similar neural pathways, prompting instinctive responses aimed at alleviating suffering. In emergencies, this biological mechanism enhances social cohesion, facilitating cooperation among bystanders and first responders. The ability to empathize with those in peril fosters swift, coordinated actions, which are critical in life-threatening situations. These neurons allow individuals to perceive the urgency of a situation, igniting a cascade of emotional and physical responses that lead to intervention. Research indicates that heightened mirror neuron activity correlates with increased altruistic behavior during crises. Individuals are more likely to assist others when they can viscerally understand their pain and fear. This connection drives a collective response, transforming isolated actions into a unified effort for survival and recovery. Additionally, the efficiency of emergency response teams can be improved through training that emphasizes the recognition of emotional cues, By cultivating an awareness of shared human experiences, responders can enhance their effectiveness in high-stress environments. Such training harnesses the innate capacities of mirror neurons, enabling a deeper understanding of the needs of those they aim to help. This understanding opens a pathway to explore the intersection of mirror neurons and the philosophy of mind. The existence of these specialized cells invites profound questions about consciousness and self-awareness. Through the lens of neuroscience, the functions attributed to mirror neurons suggest a biological underpinning for empathy, bridging the gap between subjective experiences and observable behaviors. This region of inquiry delves into the essence of what it means to be human, challenging the boundaries of individual experience. The activation of mirror neurons during social interactions provides a physiological basis for the shared emotional states, hinting at a deeper connectivity among individuals. These processes provoke philosophical discussions surrounding the nature of personal identity and the extent to which humans are inherently social beings. Observations of this phenomenon reveal how the brain processes and responds to the actions and emotions of others. The implications extend beyond mere imitation, suggesting that understanding and emotional resonance may originate from these neural pathways. Such insights encourage a re-evaluation of moral and ethical considerations, as they imply a biological foundation for altruism and social cohesion. These findings provoke thoughtful discourse regarding the concept of free will. The existence of mirror neurons suggests that actions and intentions may be influenced by biological processes rather than solely conscious decisions. Observations reveal that these specialized cells activate not only during personal experiences, but also when witnessing the actions of others. This phenomenon indicates a deep-seated connection between perception and action, raising questions about the autonomy of individual choice. In this context, the implications are profound, and if mirror neurons facilitate an automatic response to social stimuli, the line between personal intention and instinctive reaction becomes blurred. This region of inquiry challenges traditional notions of self-determination, suggesting that behavioral responses may be more reflexive than previously believed. The interconnectedness observed in neural activation reveals how external influences shape internal motivations. Debates surrounding moral responsibility arise from these insights. If behavior is significantly shaped by underlying neurological mechanisms, accountability for actions may require re-evaluation. This perspective does not diminish the importance of personal agency, but rather offers a more nuanced understanding of the human experience. In this light, the interplay of biology and morality takes center stage, revealing the intricate web of interactions that define social behavior. The exploration of these complexities continues to unfold, presenting new avenues for philosophical and scientific inquiry. The exploration of leadership reveals a fascinating intersection with mirror neuron activity. This biological mechanism plays a crucial role in how individuals perceive and respond to the emotions of others. In contexts of leadership, this capability fosters an environment of understanding and connection. Leaders equipped with heightened mirror neuron responsiveness can intuitively grasp the feelings and motivations of their team members, creating a foundation for trust. The ability to resonate with others' emotions enhances a leader's influence, allowing them to motivate, inspire, and guide effectively. This region of the brain, responsible for mirroring actions and emotions, facilitates social bonding and cohesion. Instances of empathy, expressed through verbal and nonverbal communication, are magnified within teams led by such individuals. The resulting atmosphere often leads to increased productivity and morale. Leaders who harness the power of these neurons often cultivate a culture of collaboration. They model behaviors that encourage openness and vulnerability, allowing team members to feel safe in expressing their thoughts and concerns. As a result, organizations thrive under this empathetic influence. leading to innovative solutions and shared goals. The resonance created by these neural pathways not only enhances interpersonal relationships, but also promotes a collective vision. The implications of understanding mirror neurons extend far beyond individual relationships. This knowledge has the potential to reshape societal dynamics, fostering a culture of empathy that transcends personal interactions. By recognizing that these neural systems underpin emotional connectivity, communities can cultivate environments that prioritize understanding and compassion. Educational systems may incorporate this awareness, emphasizing social and emotional learning alongside traditional curricula. Social cohesion can be strengthened when groups appreciate the biological underpinnings of empathy. Through this lens, collective experiences, such as shared challenges or triumphs, become opportunities for deeper connection. This approach may lead to a reduction in conflict and an increase in collaboration among diverse populations. Policies informed by this understanding could promote inclusivity, enhancing the well-being of entire communities. In the realm of mental health, recognizing the role of mirror neurons may inform therapeutic practices. Interventions designed to enhance empathetic engagement can provide individuals with tools to navigate their emotions and relationships. The potential to build resilience within communities is significant, as empathy acts as a buffer against societal fragmentation. Research into mirror neurons has revealed their critical function in understanding others' emotions and intentions. These specialized neurons fire both when an individual acts and when they observe others performing the same action. This neural mirroring creates a direct link between one's own experiences and those of others, facilitating emotional resonance. In studies involving brain imaging, activation of mirror neuron systems has been consistently linked to empathetic responses. This region responds to both the observation of pain in others and the personal experience of suffering. Neurological evidence supports the notion that the brain processes another's emotional state similarly to one's own, indicating an innate capacity for empathy. Further investigation has shown that mirror neuron activity can be influenced by various factors, including social context and personal experiences. Individuals exposed to nurturing environments tend to exhibit stronger empathetic responses. Conversely, those raised in more adverse conditions may demonstrate reduced mirror neuron activation, suggesting that empathy may be nurtured or hindered by early life experience. The implications of these findings are profound. Understanding the biological underpinnings of empathy through mirror neurons not only sheds light on social behavior, but also highlights the importance of fostering environments that promote emotional connection. By strengthening these neural pathways, communities may cultivate greater understanding and cohesion among their members. The implications of mirror neurons extend into the very fabric of human experience. Their presence suggests an innate biological mechanism that fosters connection and understanding between individuals. This phenomenon allows for the recognition of emotions in others, facilitating the development of empathy. Through this process, shared experiences become more profound as individuals can resonate with the feelings and actions of those around them. In social settings, such as families and friendships, mirror neurons play a crucial role in nurturing interpersonal relationships. They enable the subtle mimicry of expressions and behaviors, fostering a sense of belonging. As individuals engage with one another, these neural responses may lead to increased compassion and support during times of need. The impact of mirror neuron activity is also evident in educational and therapeutic contexts. By observing and reflecting on the actions of educators or therapists, learners and clients can better internalize skills and emotional insights. This learning process is enhanced through the activation of these neurons, illustrating their importance in various developmental stages. As understanding of these biological components continues to evolve, the potential for enhancing societal well-being grows. The study of mirror neurons represents a significant frontier in comprehending the complexities of human behavior and interaction. providing a deeper appreciation for the connections that define the human experience.